What's going on? All my homies, dudes and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and today I'm going to do something a little bit different. Something kind of regular, but different. I'm doing a ride along, but this time I'm doing a ride along with this fragrance here. I just got this not too long ago. This is Private Oud by Swiss Arabia. So I'm gonna try it out, see how it works as far as like a ride along fragrance. So let's take a couple of dabs there and one over here. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. The back, and then we'll go on the wrist here. Actually, I think I'll do a little bit on the top too. And then on this side, the same thing. And you really don't normally have to do all these, but I want to see if I can try to get this to last all day. And I'll put a little bit here on the dark area. Oils tend to stain, so make sure you don't put it on anything white. And I think that's good. Actually, put another one here because digging the smell. All right, so here we go. Private Oud by Swiss Arabia. And and the time is now 12:17. So let's get it. Roll with me. All right, so moving around a little bit and see if I can get better sunlight. Oh, there we go. And still smell the fragrance, and it is, let's see, is that coming in? It is, what time is it? 2:28. I don't know if that came in, but still smell it. But it's an oil, so it's really close to the skin, which is not bad. Now you're getting ready to do a little bit of some outdoor activities. Trying to get this sun is in my face, or the shadows in my face. There we go. So I'll keep you guys posted. And again, like I said, it is 2:29. 2:29. All right, ride with me. All right, folks. I am pleasantly surprised. Hopefully, you guys can hear me. I'm pleasantly surprised with this fragrance. It is now 4:51. 4:51, and I just had someone say, "I smell you," and not in a bad way. So surprisingly, it lasts longer than I thought it would last. It just doesn't project. It's to me, it feels like it's close in. I barely can, I can still smell it. But I think I've gone a little bit nose blind to it, but it is the long lasting fragrance. So I guess it's worth it for the price that you pay. I mean, it wasn't that expensive anyway. But so, guess I'll wrap this up in a little bit. But that's been a good little while wearing. And as you can see, I went on a hike today, which is when I got my bag and everything. But so yeah. All right. See you in a little bit. So, man, I am pleasantly surprised about this fragrance, man. It's lasted a long time. It's a skin scent now on my skin, but on my shirt, it got a little bit on my shirt, and I can still smell it pretty good. But it's great, and the time now, 7:48. It's been a long time. I'm surprised. I actually thought with it being an oil that it would probably die out pretty quickly, but it didn't. It lasted a good amount of time. So I appreciate the smell. I'm glad to have this. And like I said, it smells similar to Shaggoff Oud by Swiss Arabian also, except it doesn't have that spicy part of Shaggoff Oud has. So I'm just gonna run through the notes with you guys. It's the top notes are agarwood, plum, and Bulgarian rose. Mid notes are tonka bean, vetiver, jasmine, and white flowers. And then on the base notes we have agarwood again, caramel, dark chocolate, and vanilla. And the agarwood that's in here is obviously oud. So yeah, but it doesn't come off really oudy, but maybe a little bit, but it doesn't come off like that stinky kind of oud, and it smells really sweet with that oud. It's a good fragrance. So I would advise, if you are in the market for something that's not so strong, because it doesn't project that much, but it does last for a long time, I would say try it out. Private oud. Anyway, been your boy Will. I appreciate your time. Thanks for coming along with this ride along. Till next time, deuces.